My name is Chien-Ping Lin from Taiwan. I'm the director and screenwriter of Little Yellow Flower. We are honored to be part of the 12th Mumbai International Film Festival. On behalf of my team, I'm sending regards to you and present the unconventional storytelling of Little Yellow Flower. The film is centered around a man named Anand. He sees his paralyzed father who can't move, with ants crawling all over his body. This triggers painful memories, especially difficult ones, with his father. Anand is determined to remove the ants and try to mend their relationship. Additionally, he tends to restore the beauty of the yellow flowers that once bloomed in their yard. Once again, thank you for your support, and we look forward to sharing our film with you. Thank you. Bye.